The elite Igbo lady.
Anyị dị iche.
The elite Igbo lady.
Anyị dị iche.
The elite Igbo lady.
The real deal.
The real deal.
The elite Igbo ladies.
You guys should pardon me because I am late. Let's go there. The elite Igbo ladies inauguration will be awesome.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm coming to see you, but that's if I came at the wrong time.
Yes, yes.
You
You have not heard.
How of what?
The elite Igbo ladies are doing their inauguration / gala night that is coming up on Saturday, June 1st, 2024.
You should get sorry, I don't understand. The elite Igbo ladies, who are they? What do they do exactly?
The elite Igbo ladies are into charitable organization like helping the poor, helping the needy. They help the orphanage homes. In fact, they are into everything.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
This is really interesting. So, where is the Igbo ladies? Get their base. Where their base?
Their base is in US and that is where we are going.
Yes, so
If you're free, you can join us.
I'm going
That is where
US.
our office
Let's
lies.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's
The elite Igbo ladies.
Anyị dị iche.
The elite Igbo ladies.
Anyị dị iche.
The elite Igbo ladies.
The real deal.
The real deal.
The elite Igbo lady.
Yes. The elite Igbo ladies are having their inauguration / gala night on Saturday, 1st of June, 2024. Big deal. The elite Igbo ladies.
Anyị dị iche.
The elite Igbo ladies.
Anyị dị iche.
The elite Igbo ladies.
The real deal.
The real deal.
The elite Igbo ladies.